Do you want to build a reliable, risk-free, and consistent passive income? Investing in a fleet of ATM machines is a great way to earn passive income 24/7 without having to do any work. No matter how well or poorly the economy is doing, ATM machines will always produce stable income as the cash is never exposed to stock market risks. Investors will receive 35% of cash flow for up to 10 years, which outperforms the average annuity. Norman Legacy Investments makes it easy to get involved in the ATM business, and there are 2 different package options for investors to choose from, depending on their desired investment return and goals. Norman Legacy Investments guarantees the returns investors will make, regardless of how the ATMs perform, due to their unique and stable market focus on senior communities. Senior communities in the state of Virginia are currently underserved, which leads the elderly to have to cross busy highways to access their cash. There's a large demand for ATM machines in these communities, and Norman Legacy Investments is committed to keeping our elderly safe by meeting the needs of these communities. This is a win-win solution for investors and seniors alike. Get in touch with Norman Legacy Investments to capitalize on this exclusive opportunity.